welcome back to the channel, everyone. The Santa Maria here, and this is a video that I'm so excited to do because this is something I never do on the channel. If you know, you know. I never do first impressions for real like this. Yeah, I don't wait to do dedicated reviews on fragrances, but when something is hot and fresh off the press and you have your hands on it, you kind of have to, you know, switch up the program. And today, we are talking about the house of Kayali because they decided to drop some new heats, a new fragrance right before the holidays. And that already is going to put me in a tizzy because, quite frankly, we thought they were done with the Love Fest Burning Cherry, which I do have. But Mona decided to give us something new, and we're going to talk about it today. But before we do that, Els, you know what we must do first. Lipstick of the day, everyone. This is ABH Seraphine. This is an oldie, one of my all-time favorite red lipsticks. It's a liquid lipstick. Get into it. I have it linked below because it's like one of the last few liquid lipsticks you can still readily buy without having to order directly from her site. Next up for fragrance of the day, this is one I've been missing. It's technically more of a springy fragrance, but I don't care. I was missing it. Bond No. 9's Madison Avenue, the pretty pink and black bottle. Love this one. Need to do your dedicated review, but smells amazing, smells pretty. I like it. So now let's get into this new Kayali fragrance. We're gonna do a true first impression unboxing, all of that. Let's get into it. So while I was traveling, a little birdie notified me that I was getting this package. So thank you to the team from Kayali and Mona for sending this over to me to check it out. So I'm finally home and I can play in this. Fresh out the box right here, as you can see, so you know it's real. I have my information card with the lovely queen herself. Mona is on here, and inside of my bag, what we all care about. This is the new fragrance, you all. The new fragrance is called Vanilla Royale Sugared Patchouli 64. That is the full name. Vanilla Royale is its name for short. But check it out, as you all can see, Els, it is still in the plastic, so you know this is a true unboxing. I have not read anything on it. I have not done anything, watched anything, because I want to form my own opinions, because you all know we don't do hype on this channel. We talk about something, whether it's good, whether it's bad, we talk about it here. So this is hot off of the press for holiday 2022. This is also a limited edition fragrance based upon the information I received. And yeah, I'm unboxing. Plastic is off. Here is the packaging. It's a metallic gold, which is perfect for the holiday season. So of course we got to talk about the elephant in the room. When we heard and I saw this was going to be Vanilla Royale, naturally we all were in the back of our mind thinking, okay, wait a minute, Kayali's doing another vanilla fragrance. They already have the Icon. I would argue it's the #1 selling fragrance from the brand because it was always sold out for a time, and that is the OG. That is Vanilla 28. As you all can see, my juice is dark and I have a big bottle of it. This was the original vanilla girl from Kayali, and she's still that girl, but apparently we got a new kid on the block. And what I like about this one is there's a little diamond on the box. So for all the original OG Kayali shoppers, you know what the diamond means. This is an intense fragrance. This is going to be stronger. And what I like too about the new packaging, as was with the Love Fest Burning Cherry, we have the notes on the back. But I also have a full note breakdown to share with you all as well. Let's unbox the fragrance. So this is so interesting doing a true live unboxing because you all know I do not do these. Okay, so there we go. Off top, and we have the metallic bottle. You all check that out. This is pretty. Notes are on the back. And for those that are wondering, I have received, this is the 50 ml size. You all know my favorite, so thank you, Mona. That is what I like. And even the little cap up top is metallic as well, which is different. Okay, I have not sprayed this, so let's read the notes. So let's see what we're supposed to get. So top notes are vanilla orchid, creamy jasmine, golden rum. Then we have middle notes of vanilla infusion, vanilla sour absolute, tonka bean accord, spicy rose bouquet, smoky leather, and cream brulee. Then at the bottom, the base with the dry down, you're supposed to get sugar patchouli, musk, brown sugar, Amber Royal Oud Haitian Vetiver. I definitely see some similar notes from the original Vanilla 28 in here, but of course there's a lot more going on in this fragrance, and I'm ready to talk about it. I'm ready to smell it. So okay, let's spray this and let's see what it's giving or not giving. Okay, y'all know I had to bring the scent strips out so we can really get into this fragrance all the way. Oh, whoa, wait. Wait a minute. Okay, this is strong. Wow. Wow. Okay. Okay. Okay, this was not supposed to be this strong. This was not supposed to be this strong. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, I'm really speechless right now because I expected this to be slightly amped up from the original Vanilla 28, but you all, oh, this is in a league of its own. The oud is what I'm getting the most. The oud is in here. If you are a oud lover, you're going to like this fragrance a lot. I smell the vanilla in here, of course, but wow. The tonka bean, I smell the brown sugar in here too, but still. And I do get the rum. I do get the rum too. Okay. Okay, this is, wow, it kind of went up in my mouth and went in my throat, so this is a little strong for me. Okay, this is literally intense. Oh, okay. I know the other fragrances we have in the collection that were also labeled intense, but wow, this is intense. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand so I can smell it on my skin. Wow. Okay, Mona, you did not play when you said this was going to be bougie and opulent. This is that. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, definitely spray this on skin because what I'm getting on the skin, what's coming out first is different from what's coming out on my test strip. I'm getting more of the vanilla on my hand, actually. I smell more of that leather note in here on the skin. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, this is a beast. Okay, this arguably might be the strongest Kayali fragrance to date. And that says a lot because to me, I would put Elixir up there with being one of the strongest, if not the strongest. But this right here, off of initial spray, first impressions, this might give Elixir a go for its money. It might take its spot. Oh, this is grown. Oh my goodness. And since we're here and I do have my Vanilla 28 out, I'm going to refresh my nose with this scent. So I have sprayed it. Yeah, Vanilla 28 is definitely sweeter than this. These are not the same scent. So for those that might have been wondering, okay, now, if we just getting basically Vanilla 28 repackaged as Vanilla Sugar Royale? No, these are two different fragrances. I can confirm that right now in this initial first impression. Sugar Royale, wow. I mean, y'all, Vanilla 28 is cute. But Sugar Royale, this is going to be the belle of the ball for the holiday season. Straight up, yes, yes. First impression, I am here for it. This is not a dedicated review. It's always else. When I do my dedicated reviews, I like to wear a fragrance multiple times before I sit down and really weigh in on longevity and those type of things. So first impression, I'm here for it. This was worth the hype. This was worth all of the promo, the press that we did see, because it does not smell like any of the other Kayalis. It does not. Oh, that's just so, Vanilla 28 is so like sweet to me compared to this one. This is just grown. This is real grown. You could wear this one. I'm already getting an idea. To me, this one you could wear to a special occasion event, because I know a lot of galas are coming up. Myself personally, I just came from a wedding around this time of year. You could wear this as a holiday gown, special occasion, wedding scene. I'm already seeing it for this right now, but I'm gonna wear it some more, wear it a few days, and I'm gonna come back eventually and do a dedicated review on Vanilla Royale Sugar Patchouli, as it's truly named. Wow, okay, I'm getting more of patchouli now. It's coming out. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna play with this because there's so many notes in here and I'm getting different things each time I take a whiff. So yes, I will be reporting back on this fragrance, but I'm pleased to report, just like there is listed on the box, that this is an intense fragrance. Hands down, this is actually absolutely one of the most intense fragrances made out of Kayali, for sure. This is grown. This one is not cutesy. It's not. Wow. Okay, I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I'm here for this. Yep. Completely different direction from the other releases we got. Yeah. Yep. Okay, elves, that is my quick first impressions. As I know, very candid, because again, nothing is scripted, because hey, I literally just unboxed it. So you all are getting my raw reaction to this fragrance. And okay, Vanilla Royale, honey, you is regal. You real regal. I mean, the box, the coloring of the juice. This is absolutely a holiday going into the wintertime fragrance for sure. I like this. This scent is going to do well. Yes, there is a lot of hype around it, but this is a scent, I think, for those that have been wanting something a little bit more deeper, a little bit more heavy hitting from Kayali. Mona heard you and she came out with it in this fragrance. So I think this is going to appease my more complex fragrance lovers, my more heavy hitter lovers. You're gonna like this one. This is the Kayali for you. So all right, Els, that wraps up my first impression unboxing video of the new Kayali, I have to get the name right, Vanilla Royale Sugar Patchouli 64. So that is my impression. Let me know what you think. Have you smelled this fragrance? Have you ordered it already? Oh, and by the way, yes, the fragrance is now available. Yes, I'll have it linked below where you can pick it up. You can get it. And yeah, I'm already here for this off of first impression. But again, that dedicated review will be coming while I give a follow-up. So as always, if you're digging me, subscribe to the channel. If you're here for the content, hit that thumbs up button. If you're not here for any of this, that is okay. We're just gonna smell good this holiday season. But until next time, Els, I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.